हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज का टॉपिक है डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पार्ट 3। जैसा कि हम पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 में डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के फंक्शंस और एलिमेंट्री कैनाल के ऑर्गन्स के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं, तो आज हम लीवर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो सबसे पहले लीवर है। लीवर इज द लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड इन द बॉडी, located on the right side of body under the diaphragm, and consists of 4 lobes suspending from the diaphragm and abdominal wall by falciform ligament and connected to the gallbladder via the common hepatic duct. Liver on right side under diaphragm, largest organ made up of 4 lobes, left and right, caudate and aqueduct. Hills which are portal hepatis, underside entry point and gallbladder. Role of liver in metabolism. Several role in digestion. Detoxify drugs and alcohol. Degrade hormone. Produce cholesterol, blood protein, which are albumin and protein, and play a central role in metabolism. Next is the bile, which are produced by cell in the liver. Composition is bile salt, bile pigment, cholesterol, phospholipid, and electrolytes. Next is the gallbladder, which are sac found in hollow fossa of liver. Store biles from liver by way of cystic duct, and bile is produced into duodenum. Bile is introduced into the duodenum in the presence of fatty food, and gallstone can cause black blockage. जैसा कि इसमें हम इस स्लाइड में हम देख रहे हैं केमिकल डाइजेशन इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. नेक्स्ट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. ingestion, in this getting food in the mouth. Propulsion, in moving food from one region of digestive system to the another. Process of digestive system, in this peristalsis, which are alternating waves of contraction. Segmentation, in this moving material back and forth to aid in mixing. Next is mechanical digestion, in this mixing of food in mouth by tongue, cutting of food in the stomach, and segmentation in the small intestine. Next is the process of digestive system, in this chemical digestive system, in this enzyme break down food molecules into their building block. Each major food group uses different enzyme. Number 1 is carbohydrate are broken to simple sugar, protein are broken to amino acid, and fat are broken to fatty acid and alcohol. Next is the absorption. In this, end product of digestion are absorbed in the blood and lymph. Food must enter mucosal cell and then into blood or lymph capillary. Next is defecation. In this, elimination of indigestible substances are feces. जैसा कि हम इस डायग्राम में देख रहे प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. इन दिस फूड इनटेक बाय माउथ. इन दिस ingestion mechanical digestion are occur. Food enter by mouth to pharynx to esophagus. In this propulsion, swelling, peristalsis are occur and go into the stomach. In this chemical digestion are occur because in this area HCl produced, and after stomach the food go to the small intestine. In this absorption are occur in this Blood lymph are present and blood vessels also are present. After small intestine, after small intestine, the undigested food go to large intestine and converted to feces and removed by anus. Nutrition. Nutrient substances used by the body for growth, maintenance and repair. Category of nutrient: carbohydrate, which are simple sugar, starchy and fibers, lipid, triglyceride, phospholipid and acid, protein, which are amino acid, vitamins, drugs and water. Thank you.